Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making spicy, savory, whole wheat pancake. This is a much healthier recipe. It goes perfect for breakfast or even you can have for lunch or dinner. So to begin with, we need a cup of whole wheat atta, gehu ka atta, or 1/8 cup of suji, that is semolina. In spices I have turmeric powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, cumin seeds, that is jeera, and carom seeds, that is Ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon each, as well as some lemon juice. Now in veggies we have red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, finely chopped green chilies, and some coriander leaves. Let's make batter first. So for that, in a bowl take whole wheat atta, and in that goes in all dry spices, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Now let's first mix in all this masala and add in water to make this into a batter. Make sure that there are no any lumps of this whole wheat atta. Some more water. So the batter consistency is more on like a rava dosa batter, on a thinner side. Perfect. Look at the consistency. Now in this goes in finely chopped green chili. If you don't like the thing spicier, you can definitely skip out on green chili. Then cumin seeds and carom seeds. Carom seeds adds nice wonderful aroma as well as taste in this pancakes. Then veggies, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, coriander leaves, and lemon juice. Now give this a good mix and give it a standing time of just 5 minutes. We are not adding rava while making this batter. We are going to add that finally, just right before making our pancakes. There you go. Here this batter has been rested for 5 minutes now. Look at the consistency. This is pretty much on a thinner side and it's not thick at all. At this point of time, we'll go ahead and add in suji in this and mix that in. Now let's go ahead and make our pancakes. For making this whole wheat pancake, this skillet or pan needs to be nice and hot. Over this I'm adding just few drops of oil. And now take this batter and just like how we do our rava dosa, exactly in the same way I'm going to add in this batter. Perfect. Now let this cook until you get nice browning at the bottom of this pancake. Then we'll go ahead and flip this over. Now after cooking this for 2 minutes, smear some oil over the top of this pancake. Alright, and it looks nicely done. Now it's the time to give it a flip. Awesome. Now let this cook from other side as well. Alright, this is cooked from other side also for about 3 to 4 minutes. Do this one more flip. Awesome. And it is perfectly cooked from both the sides. Pour this in half. Lovely. and our whole wheat pancake is all ready. Look at this. It gets this awesome crust as well as it's nice and moist. Now in the similar way, I'm going to make my rest of the wheat pancakes. Now you can have them just as it is, as we have added enough spices while making batter itself. But if you want, you can serve this with some peanut chutney, dry peanut chutney, as well as some pickle. It also goes perfect with some green chutney, mint chutney. So if you like this recipe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.